Mac won't turn on? Don't panic. Here's what you can do, but first, like and subscribe for more quick Mac tips. First, check the basics. Is your power cable undamaged and firmly plugged into your Mac and working outlet? If possible, try a different power adapter, a different outlet, or cable just to be sure. For MacBooks, also make sure it's charged. Next, you can press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds, then release. After a moment, press the power button again to see if your Mac turns on. Also, make sure to disconnect all accessories like printers and USB devices. Sometimes they can cause issues. If nothing works, it might be time to contact Apple support, unfortunately. Now, share your experience below.